What's good, everyone? This is Miles per Hour, and welcome. Today, I want to talk about what it takes for a stock to trade as an option. Particularly, I want to look at FRSX, Foresight Autonomous, just because this has been gaining some momentum lately and popularity. So if you'll notice, a lot of stocks have the option to trade as an option, but this one doesn't, and I want to go into why. So, under the Chicago Board Options Exchange rules, there are 5 criteria that a stock must meet before it can trade as an option as of June 2020. Now, bear in mind, these rules are subject to change as it's 2021, but more or less they will be the same. Number 1, the stock must be a properly registered NMS stock. So what this basically means is that the stock must be listed on the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, or any national stock exchange. Foresight Autonomous in particular is listed on the NASDAQ. 2, the company must have at least 7 million publicly held shares. So let's say one person decides to go out and buy 1 million shares of a particular company. That 1 million would still count towards that 7 million number. 3, the underlying stock must have at least 2,000 shareholders. 4, trading volume must equal or exceed 2.4 million shares in the past 12 months. And 5, the price of the stock must be sufficiently high for a specific period of time. Specifically, covered securities, which are most stocks in the United States, must close at $3 per share or more over the past 3 days before an option can be written. And this is actually one of the reasons that prevents options from being traded on stocks for the first 3 days after an IPO. So you might be thinking, okay, why does Foresight Autonomous not meet any of these? It looks like it has all the criteria. Well, if we go over to Yahoo Finance has actually this really cool feature where you can click the year chart and then you can click at any point on the graph. And then we're able to basically map out the volume that we can see over the past year or so. So if you'll remember, the trading volume for a particular stock must equal or exceed 2.4 million shares in the past 12 months. If you'll notice over here, volume's well over that. It's around, particularly around here, it was hovering around 6.5 million. But if we look back in April, May, this time period, it's not even at 500,000, not even 50,000. So this is actually a really cool feature that I found. And this is one of the reasons why Foresight Autonomous in particular doesn't have an option written for it yet, is because the trading volume has been too low over the past year. So yeah, that's about it, guys, and thank you for watching, and until next time.